What's up YouTube? Jeep and Bubba here, and we're in the Can Cut booth. It's Wednesday, and guess what? The Manchi made it. It looks awesome, but we can't stop and show it to you because we got to go put Blue Jeep and Avery's Jeep inside the booth. Before we do that, we're gonna try to run to the grocery store, and we need some paint and a couple things, and then we're gonna get it inside. Tomorrow's the show, but let's get everything prepped today. All right, so we got inside, we're at Empower, and we just spent, I don't know, 2 hours shining that up, getting everything set up so we can show up the lights tomorrow. We gotta go do the Comanche. We got like 45 minutes before we have to get out of here, and then we're gonna meet with Andy. All right, we made the 20-mile hike from the bottom section to the top. We're gonna wipe this thing down with some Details product. All right, we sauced it up. Doesn't matter because it's probably gonna dump rain in a minute, but we're ready for tomorrow. 4 hours of detailing later with the Detailers products. Looks pretty good. Let me see what you think. All right, let's go to the hotel. All right, day one of the show, it's already packed out. We're gonna walk you around and show you what's going on. We just went down to the Empower booth, hooked everything up for the lights, so we can show the lights off, but now we're going over to the Can Cut booth to check out the Manchi and say hey to Andy. Look at all these Jeeps lined up through here. All right, I'm gonna give you guys the behind the scenes of what really happens at these shows. Andy has provided me with an umbrella. I'm laying on the ground behind his tent, behind his table. Just catching some much needed rest. Not sleeping, just deep meditating breaths after being in two booths all day and running the shop simultaneously over the phone. We're gonna go to a Torah networking thing here shortly. I'll come back. All right, we're at the Torah event, Spring Hill Suites, up on the balcony. You can see the event down there. Cold beer. Good times. What's up? We had a nice dinner last night with the Empower guys. We're back at the show today. Me and Lee are walking around. We're talking to everybody. Silver Dollar Adventures here. Went to Torah last night. That was cool. So we're just walking around, getting some content, shooting some short form video. I'll take you guys along. Middle section. Yeah, in the middle section of that.
Oh, yeah, down Showtime?
Yeah.
You need to do the little Comanche.
I did it last year. It was my #1 pick. All right, we're walking around the show shine area. Depends what you get. If you just get texture black, it's like 200. All right. The guys from Empower left. They're walking around, so I'm in charge. So we are slinging some product out here. This is our view from the table. Blue Jeep chilling, all the Empower products. Just sold some 6x1 lights and a light bar, so we're doing good. Yeah, Pamela.
Oh, they put the notches on it.
Oh.
They blended it.
Yeah.
Events, and it's West Coast, Midwest, somewhere else crazy, and
Mountain.
then the East Coast one is in Virginia. And
All right, it's been a busy 2 days of the show, and I'm pretty much done with Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion show-wise. Won't be there tomorrow, but we're over at Andy from Can Cut's house. It's a friend of his, beautiful home in Gatlinburg, and we're just gonna hang out tonight. Had a great day at the show. Haven't filmed as much as I wanted to, but we did make 2 videos, top 5 vehicles at Jeep Invasion, both inside and outside. So you've probably already seen those before this come out if you're watching the channel. But had a great time talking to a lot of people here at Jeep Invasion. I'm not gonna end the Jeep video or the video from Jeep Invasion here because I never know what's gonna happen on Saturday. And then we're gonna have a video coming out from Wheeling It with Warren at the Warren event. So let's keep it rolling. So we're at Lee's family shop. You can see it right behind me. The Smiths, Scrimshaw Knives, and silversmithing. And I just got a really nice bear related gift. I'll have to show you guys at another time. Super nice gift. Thanks to Lee and his family. Anything in the works?
The 40, I don't know.
All right, last night I went to Quaker Steak. Here's a quick clip. And now we're at Bucky's in Sevierville. We're headed to Windrock. We're gonna end this video here. So eat your prunes. Hope there's an adventure in your future, and we'll be seeing you.